Well, hello everybody. I know I've been gone for a minute, but I'm back and I'm ready to build this channel up and build this community. So hey, stay tuned. Alright, so I spent about 24 hours with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. And let me tell you, it's a nice upgrade from its sibling brother, the Galaxy Z Fold 3. This bad boy is taking the folding game to a whole new level. It's really giving us a taste of what the future holds for smartphones. And in this review, I'm going to break it down for you. I'm going to spill the tea on the cool Galaxy Z Fold 4, the things that it brings to the table, along with some pros and some cons, and I'm going to compare it to its predecessor. So first of all, let's talk about the experience thus far. Okay, we know that foldable phones are already pretty cool, but the Galaxy Z Fold takes it to a new level. Folding mechanism on this phone is like a fresh jar of peanut butter, sturdier than our old flip phones that we used to rock. Plus, when you unfold this bad boy onto that large display, you see the vibrant colors, the razor sharp details. It's like a portable entertainment center for your urban adventures. Now, as far as performance, this ain't your average smartphone, my friend. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 flexes an upgraded processor and is pumped up with 12 gigs of RAM, giving you the smoothest ride in town. In fact, multitasking on this bad boy feels like a breeze, and apps are like a well-choreographed dance routine. You won't be disappointed, especially if you want to use some heavy-duty apps or some heavy-duty games. This bad boy can handle it like a pro wrestler. It delivers lag-free experiences that make you say, beam me up, Scotty. Okay, enough with the Star Trek references. They have pumped up the sensors and they tweaked the image processor for your camera. Now, I'm one to tell you I'm not all that impressed with Z Fold's cameras and video capabilities. They don't begin to compare to either my 14 Pro Max or my S22 Ultra. But it has some apps on it that will allow you to be very creative if you want to be. So what about the battery performance? Well, again, the battery performance is not nothing to write home to mama about. I got roughly about 6.5 hours, not quite a full day, and that was some pretty heavy use. Of course, we know that battery power is subjective. Different people move on different speeds and use different stuff, so that's basically the way you're going to be able to determine that. But I can say that it's okay. Do I want it to be better for the amount of money that you pay for this phone? Absolutely. So what are some enhancements that you'll notice that I noticed right away? The folding mechanism does seem to be stiff, a lot stiffer than it was, and it seems like it's more premium. The processor, I can't really tell if it's faster or slower, but I can say that I don't have any problems with lag or anything like that. And when I'm sitting down watching movies, the screen does seem like it's a little better. Now, I know it's 120 Hz refresh rate, and I think my Galaxy Z Fold 3 is the same, but for some reason, I think maybe since the software is optimized, it's just a little bit better, a little bit more enjoyable. So what else can I say about it? I can say that it seems to be a little smaller, it's a little boxier, and it seems to be just a tad bit more premium. If I did not get this phone because of my insurance and because the phone went out on it, would I upgrade from a Galaxy 3 to a Galaxy Z Fold 4? No, because it's not really that much of a difference. So what does that tell you? If you have the Galaxy Z Fold 3, it's not really necessary to upgrade to the Galaxy Z Fold 4. The only thing you're going to get is a bigger sensor on your camera, a faster processor, and the hinges or the folding system is better. And maybe IPS a little bit better too. But other than that, it's the same thing. So if you got the Galaxy Z Fold 3, hold on to it. Now, you might want to upgrade to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. That might be a reason to upgrade. Stay tuned. I'll let you know about that when that time comes in about a couple of months. So if you've enjoyed this video, the next video about this particular phone, I'm going to go into an in-depth review showing you everything that I like and that I don't like, and let you see whether or not you want to upgrade or not. In addition to that, I'm going to eventually break down the different softwares on here, like the Samsung Notes. What's that all about? How can you use that? I want to show you some tips and tricks on how you can maximize your battery use by turning some things on and turning some things off. All of those things are things that we're going to review. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you like this video, give me a like, share it, and comment. In the comment section, let me know. Have you upgraded from the 3 to the 4, and do you intend to upgrade from the 3 to the 5? Or do you want to get the 3 and just wait until the 6? I'm Bertrand the Tech Man. Welcome back. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. And remember, before you buy anything, always first check it out.